Come in and have a seat. Don't be shy. You do not have to promise to stay for long. Just ask the questions. You don't need to warm up the room or build the relationship slowly. Don't even ask about my family. You're here to ask for advice, and I know your schedule is tight, so just say it. It's okay. I'm okay with being a temporary friend you share your burden with in the short time we will be around each other. You don't have to keep in touch in the future. If I can help you today by sharing my little experience, I'll do it happily. I'm okay even if we never end up being friends at all. I'm okay if this is the first and last time you walk into my office. Ask all the questions you have and take notes. You see, I've had mentors in the past, people who helped me to arrive where I am now, and I lost contact with them. Not because I don't care, but I also don't know how to show appreciation beyond a gift card and a thank you note. I don't know what to say if I even want to write an email. So, I do what I hope will please them the most, doing the best at what I am doing, and paying their support forward. I might say hi if I visit their hometown. Apart from that, I keep my gratitude to myself. So, come in and have a seat. You can always visit when my door is open and I'm here. Ask anything. If I know, I'll answer. I know I'm not the center of the world. I'll understand when you will not invite me to your graduation ceremony. I know I'm not even on the guest list for your birthday party. I won't take it personally when I am not in the acknowledgement section of your book. I will not resent or regret anything that I gave because I already received more help than I deserve.